Hi, in this video I will show you what are layouts and how you can customize them. Basically, you can think of layouts as Visual Composer elements that can be used anywhere on your site. However, most often than not, you'll be using them for headers and footers. Each theme has a number of pre-built layouts, and we can see them by clicking Layouts, All Layouts. And here's the list of all the layouts available, and we can see that there are some header layouts, one footer. However, there are also many custom layouts such as gallery, events, prayer, and depending on your theme, depending on which theme you have, you would have different types of layouts. Maybe you would not even have some custom layouts, only headers and footers. So it depends on your theme. In my case, I have several headers, and in this tutorial I will show you how to customize a header layout. So we'll be taking our header as an example, and if we go to our site, we can see the header layout. And the goal of our tutorial is to customize, to change this header layout. So the first thing we need to do is to understand which layout is enabled right now. So we've seen it on our site, however we don't know which layout is that. Is it header boxed, header home 2, or any other header layout? So in order to see which one is enabled right now, we go to Appearance, Customize. And go to the header section. And here you can see the header style option. And we see that the header full width is enabled right now. So if I change it to, for example, default header, I see that the header has changed, and I'm going to change it back to header full width. So let's go back to our admin dashboard. And now we know which layout we need to customize. Header full width. We open it. And we can see a traditional Visual Composer page. If you've been working with Visual Composer, it would be extremely easy for you to customize a layout. So let's say I want to choose another logo and remove the call to action button and social links, and instead place, let's say, a telephone number of my company. So we edit the logo by clicking the edit button and select a new logo here. I pick this one. Click Save Changes and update our layout. And if we go back to our site and click Refresh, then we see that we've got a new logo. Also, let's remove these elements and instead add a new one. I'll go to the Theme Regs tab. Here you can see a number of layout elements, and they can be used to create a layout. In my case, I'll pick the icon text element and choose a phone icon. And write some text. and click Save Changes. So now if I update my layout and refresh my page, we can see that the header has been successfully updated. Also, we can enable or disable a sticky header. So if we open our site, we can see that our header sticks to the top. If we don't want to have this behavior, we can disable the sticky header. In order to do this, we click the Edit button up here, go to Custom Layouts, and uncheck this box, Fix this row. If we uncheck it and click Save Changes, update our post, and if we go back to our site and refresh it, we can see that the header is no longer sticky. So that's basically it. That's how you customize a layout. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comments below, and have a great day. Goodbye.